This is just an AMZN on Wednesday, for Wednesday, July 3rd, 2019. It's early on the morning on the 4th, so happy 4th of July. For those of you in the United States, it's Independence Day, so I got to see some fireworks in a nearby town, but not much fireworks in the market today. So pretty much we just chopped for the first hour or so and are slowly grinded higher, like I talked about yesterday that it could happen, and then just chopped and went sideways the rest of the day. Market closed at noon. I don't anticipate much volume again on Friday. I believe the whole day is its normal trading hours. But after a holiday and then right before weekend, I don't see too much happening. If anything gets moving, it would likely just kind of grind a little bit lower, maybe back into 1925, but I don't even know if that would happen. I was just checking some option values, and I noticed that on this pullback, on this candle, which we would have been trading, just getting something set up for any sort of pullback and hoping it would fill or something. I don't know, but I didn't. But the 1930 calls actually pulled back into the $10 price. So I always like to look for that $10 price. Nice round number, easy to do your $100 or any other risk value, $100 to $100, right? So your stop, and then within the same candle, ran right back up and ended up closing that candle at about 1351. So, had you done 10 by 9 just to have it set up, because pretty much the open was flat. Slight, I guess it moved up a couple cents, something like that. So the close here was 1934.31. The open here was 1935.89. So, okay. So you got about $1.60 something, $1.60 something. So slight gap up, bullish retest. It retested, and then it grinded out. And even this candle pulled back a little bit. This was at 50. Check that candle, and that was pulled back here. So, you could have been buying at 11. I don't know if it would have filled. This one pulling back into 10 looks like it would have been filled, but who knows if, every broker would have filled that price. I don't know. So pretty much a grinding day. That's all. Not even worth looking at the puts. It just went sideways. So I think this is the smallest day that we've had in a long time. Probably, this day was 11:34. That was, I think Easter was around. Yeah, I think this was the Thursday before Easter. And then this day, Thursday before Easter. So Friday, I think the market was closed on that Friday, because this is 19, 20, 21. Yeah, that was a 3-day weekend here. And then over here, the day before the 4th of July. So really small candle. This one was 11:09, so actually smaller than this one, 11:34. So anyway, that's all I got for today. We grinded up a little bit more. We've actually moved up above this high. I would expect a retest at some point to 1925, maybe deeper. But anybody who's betting on that and getting into trades on that is slowly losing money in their options, or if they're short up here, they're it's going against them. So at some point, bears will be squeezed, and we'll just see if that's happening now when we push higher and bears have to cover and it continues to move up, or if that hasn't happened yet and we're just going to chop and grind, and then eventually we'll get to that point. But yeah, we're just slowly making a little bit higher highs. I mean, we've been doing it since sometime last week. So whatever day that was, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Monday, Tuesday, Monday. Yeah, so since Wednesday last week, we were making higher highs. Not higher lows, but higher highs. So anyway, like I said, that's all I got. Not too much going on. And I don't anticipate too much happening on Friday. But I do plan on doing another video on Friday night or sometime over the weekend, and seeing how they traded. I don't think I'll be trading Friday, though. And then we'll just pick up next week and see if things kind of get back to normal. Volume picks back up. This is, wow. I just noticed volume is the lowest we've seen. It was way lower than this. That's just a big drop in volume. So it's a holiday week. We'll see that should pick back up. But that kind of volume on this kind of move doesn't really instill that kind of confidence that it's going to just continue. Like you see this big move here, the volume increased, and then this was just flat volume as this chopped. But this is like, okay, people aren't doing anything about this moving in the direction we want it to go, bullish with the moves here. So yeah, let's keep an eye on volume. Friday, probably not. I would think it would pick up just because it's a full day of trading, but it's after holiday, so I don't know. We'll see where volume falls on Friday, and then we should see things get back to normal on Monday, but guess we'll see what happens then. Hope you enjoyed this video. This is Justin AMZN. Thanks.